at the back of your head that will highly support you when you want to calm emotions like panic. It can also help you if you're having a lot of excitement. Now, we all love the emotion of excitement, but even that can get over-energized, right? My name is Kelly Goetz. I'm an Eden's Energy Medicine clinical practitioner, and I'm on faculty with the Eden Method program with Donna Eden. And I'm here to teach you 2 points that can help you when you are dealing with panic. This can also help and relate to anxiety. So if you see where my eyebrows are, we are going to find 2 points at the back of my head. I'm going to turn around, not to be rude, but we're just going to come directly behind the head. And you'll see, hopefully, I'm lined up here. So these 2 points just line up right behind the eyebrows, and we can either bring 3 fingers together and hold it. You don't have to hold your eyebrows, and hold both of them. So take a look at that again. Or we can flatten our hand right there and place our hand to the back of our head. Now, if you are experiencing panic, you can simply hold the back of your head. You can even talk through it out loud, like what's going on, why you're experiencing panic. And I'm a happy fan of the Oh My God points, which I'll show you in another video, which is basically coming to the front of your head and holding them together. Now keep in mind, these are light touches. Your goal is to bring warmth or pulsing to your head. And you're going to want to hold this 3 to 5 minutes. I hope you find this useful, and if you do, please forward it on to your friends, because I know there's a lot of people panicking right now in this crazy world of the coronavirus. Thanks for learning with me. Infinite love and gratitude.